Hello, my viewers and subscribers, or whoever's watching. Got an unboxing video to do today. It's a Walmart brand Hyper Tough 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Oh yeah, Daisy says thank you for stopping by his channel and checking things out. His awesome reviews he gives. Huh, Daisy? This is a Hyper Tough 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Or 19 liters. The specifications here is on the side of the box. The motor is 4 peak horsepower, but it's not. It's kind of misleading. It's not really peak horsepower. When you first turn it on for like maybe 1 to 5 seconds, it peaks to 4 horsepower. In actuality, I'd probably have to guess it's probably actually 1 horsepower. The tank capacity is 5 gallons. Probably a little less than that because it's looking at the overall size of the container, but if you take in the placement where the hose goes in it, it's going to be less. The diameter of the hose is 1 by 1 1/4 by 6 foot long. The power cord's 12 foot long. The product weight is 9.92 pounds, but for the entire box and everything included, I think it's like 11.2 pounds. The dimensions say 14 inches wide, 14 3/4 inch diameter, and 19.5 inches tall. What's included in the box is a 4 horsepower 5-gallon wet dry back, but that's peak horsepower. But like I'm saying, I'm just taking a guess, it's probably about 1 horsepower actually in actuality. The hose, which I already mentioned, it's got 3 extension wands, 1 floor nozzle, 1 crevice tool, 1 gulper nozzle, 1 foam filter, 1 reusable dry filter with clamp ring, and 1 dust bag. I just went with the Walmart brand because it's cheaper and it's got a 2-year warranty on it. Huh, Daisy? What do you think? What do you think? Get it open and get it out of the box. Not Daisy. Daisy likes his back support. Huh, Daisy? And they got some papers here. Hyper Tough. Thank you for your purchase. Dear valued customer, we'd love to hear from you and what you think of this product. Please consider leaving a review with feedback and rate your experience. If you have any questions, please call our customer care team. We are happy to help. And on the back it says, stop. In the likely event you have a problem or question about this unit, please contact our Mainstays Customer Care Center. Yeah, they don't want you returning it to the store. They want to try to slow you down. Basically what that is. Got your instruction manual. But oh wow. It's got basically that's throwback to Sears. A breakdown of everything. Parts and components and stuff. That's cool. Oh, Daisy. Well, I'm going to stop this right here because I did forget one little thing, and it's a screwdriver, which I'm going to need to put the wheels back on. Huh, Daisy? I don't think I got one here. Yes, I do. I have a screwdriver. I got a small one, but I got one. I'll use that. Huh, Daisy? There's the gulper, probably for getting water and dust off the floor or whatever. Let me set this down on the floor and pull this out. There's extension wands. Got 3 of them. Hi, Daisy. Extension cord. There's the unit. Hi, Daisy. Nice big heavy box. Give it that much. Oh, Daisy. Oh, flip. That's cool. And there's the rest of the stuff. Oh, Daisy. There's the hose. Not a very large diameter hose. Handle. And Daisy decided that time to go get something to eat or drink. He normally likes cameras. He's not too much into these kind of things. Kind of heavy. I do like the clamps on here though. I was thinking about doing one from Harbor Freight, but you pay extra for that. You basically pay extra for the warranty. It only comes with a 90-day warranty. So you get a 2-year. Ah, Daisy. Wherever you're at. Always some assembly required. Yeah. Got like a little slot near a tab that you gotta line up. It's kind of cool. All the screws are the same at least. Now ever since I figured out what's wrong with me and my CMT disease, figuring why my hands don't work like they used to, or they tire out really fast. Kind of sucks, but what can you do? Yeah, I'm kind of doing a throwback to the 80s. I enjoyed that. Power screwdriver would have been better. Oh well. Exercise my hands. Or a long-handled screwdriver would have been better. Oh well. Gotta keep my body working. Since there's no really treatment for CMT disease, but dumbass doctor, neurologist, probably gonna get a new one on that one. Oh, Daisy. I don't think Daisy likes the assembly process. If you're going to buy one of these, my suggestion is have a long-handled screwdriver instead of these short-handled ones, or a power one. Might make the process a little bit easier. And then you got to put the handle on here. Hi, Daisy. Coming back up. And this you might need definitely a long handle, probably. Yeah, I'm gonna need a long handle on this one. Got one in the kitchen. I'm gonna start doing a little bit more videos, start posting more regular stuff. I don't know, maybe start doing a little bit more talking too. What do you think, Daisy? There's that. There's that. Please remove sticker before using. Yeah, you don't want to have a sticker on something. But little blue thing here, probably wedged on here like they normally are. Yeah, it's wedged right on here. Got your pleated filter underneath that, and then you got that. Helps cut down on the dust and stuff that reaches the... Oh, wow. Okay, they usually have a pleated filter under all this. You don't have that. It goes straight to the motor. It's kind of weird. Oh well. Interesting design. It's got a bag instead. Because like I said, they normally got that paper filter underneath there with a pleated on there, pleats. This one has a like some type of bag on it. Make sure you get that tight on there. Interesting, but okay. Make sure everything's secured out. Interesting. Usually the ones I use, you got the paper pleats on them. This one doesn't. Interesting design. Oh well. It is what it is. Nah, let me turn this on. So Daisy doesn't normally like this part. Like I said, this one does got a smaller diameter tube on it. Just be warned on it. Larger diameter tubes usually pick up a lot more debris or bigger stuff, bigger crap. Hi, Daisy, wherever you're at. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Oh, Daisy. See if it made it all the way through. Yep, there it is. So maybe I'm just gonna be using this around the house, not picking up too big stuff, but oh well. See how it works, what it does. Oh, that's how that stuff goes. They had store some type of storage for these. There you go. Usually I just leave the bags out. Sometimes a good idea, sometimes a bad idea, but I usually just leave the bags out. So that's the Walmart brand Hyper Tough shop vac. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And Daisy says thank you for watching wherever Daisy's at. Have a good day.